Okay, I found a way to replace a broken element. You can see it's busted right there, blew out. And this is on a Frigidaire Galaxy Series Double Oven. Here is the model number and serial number. So it took me a while to figure this out. I couldn't find anything online, which is why I'm making this video. But you get the element out from the front. If you look online, it tells you to take these screws out and that this whole contraption slides out. And you can actually see the seam back here all the way around. And you would think that you would just slide this piece out and there you go. So originally I had unhooked, these hinges, taken the vent out, and tried for a while to get this piece out, and it would just not budge. So just through trial and error and looking, I peeked through this grill, which sat up there. I was looking through those holes, and I could see the element, and then started looking at how to get this piece out. So there were two screws right there and there that held in the lock for when you're doing baking or the cleaning. And then there were some screws here on the side holding it in. So I had to slide it out, 4 inches or so. And then this is against the wall, so getting these out were a little tough. Next, this piece was in there, just had to pull it out. It latches into this little knot right there, pull it out of the way. These are the two leads that run the element. So I had to unhook those with a pair of needle nose pliers. And then there was a screw here, and there was a little pin, or a little cotter pin that hooked up into that held the other side in. So once that was taken out, piece slid right out, and there's the result. Found our problem. To test, see which element was broken, these little guns are so handy. It's a little heat temperature sensor, and you can shoot that and it'll tell you what the temperature is. So I shot this on the upper element and lower element. Upper element was very clear, it was getting hot. The lower element was very clear, it wasn't doing anything. So I just shot it right onto different spots on this bottom plate. So found my part. It was fairly easy online. I did call Frigidaire while I was on hold with them, was when I actually figured out how to get it out. They gave me the part number. She quoted me $207. Part select was $227. Found it other places, and I didn't want to buy off eBay and get something used. It wasn't going to work. I did find it on Sears for $166. Amazon was $220 some also. So I'm going to go with Sears and get that ordered and put this all back together. But again, it was I couldn't find anything online on how to do this, but that's how you change that sucker out. So on the bottom, actually you can see the element down here. So there's the screw holding in, here's the element, here's the pin. So if I were to take this off and drop it down, you'd see those wires, and I could pull it out. So there you go. Hope this helps people, because I was at a loss.